What is object-oriented programming?
Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a way of organizing code using objects, bundles of data, and the functions that operate on them. By grouping related information and actions together, OOP aims to reflect real-world systems more intuitively, making software easier to design, build, and reason about.
Key benefits of OOP.
OOP offers several advantages. It encourages code reuse through inheritance and composition, supports modular design, and makes software easier to test and expand. These benefits help teams work efficiently, reduce duplicated code, and deliver features faster with fewer bugs.
Making collaboration easier.
Large software projects often require the work of many developers. OOP allows teams to break projects into well-defined objects, making it clear who is responsible for each part. This separation of concerns improves teamwork and enables multiple people to contribute without conflicts.
Simplifying maintenance and updates.
As software grows, it needs to be updated and maintained. With OOP, changes to one part of the system usually have minimal impact on others. Clear structures and defined interfaces mean fewer unexpected surprises, so maintaining and updating the software becomes much more manageable.
Why OOP remains popular today.
The OOP continues to be a top choice because it helps developers build flexible, reliable, and scalable software. Its practical benefits fit modern needs, from mobile apps to complex enterprise systems, ensuring that code can adapt as requirements change and teams evolve.